Hello, welcome to the Computing and Technology CAT Zone here at our Battersea South studio building. Here you can find high-performance Windows Alienware computers with all the creative software that is offered across all 3 campuses. That software includes all the Adobe software, Autodesk, Blender, Rhino for CAD, as well as Unity and Unreal game engines. Over this side, we've got our Mac computers. They all have the same software that I've just mentioned before. And over this side, we have 2 dedicated Cintiq tablets for precision drawing and animation. We've got our Computing and Technology CAT Zone notice board with general information, including information about passwords, printing, the software itself and the hardware, and also about technical support, including one-to-one technical support and workshops, as well as IT support out of hours. Over here, we have a small scan, print and finish area that includes an A2 scanner and a dedicated computer to process the file, a printer, as well as a small finish area. Throughout the academic year, we run a series of technical workshops. These are delivered in areas such as software training. That includes software such as Cinema 4D, CAD, Rhino, game engines like Blender and Unity and Unreal Engine, as well as moving image software. We run these workshops in Term 1 and Term 2. The workshops are delivered by specialist technical instructors that are experts in their field. These sessions last between 1 and 3 hours. All students at the RCA can join these sessions and sign up to these via our Moodle portal. And that's it from us in the CAT team. I look forward to seeing you on campus when you join us.